Okay, back at you guys here. Sorry about that. So what we did was we went ahead and got the factory off, and that's in the previous video. We went ahead and put all the stuff together in the K&N kit. It comes with great instructions from K&N, super easy, just a little bit time consuming. Got all your hoses here. Now we're going to show you how to connect it. We're going to put the cover back on, and that'll be the end of the job here. One thing that was a little tricky, this hose here, getting the factory crankcase coupler off is a real touchy situation. You also got to take your sound tube off that goes all the way to the front up here by the radiator, and it disconnects back here, and then they give you a cap, and they also supply you with a zip tie. K&N is awesome. I hope you guys can see that. They give you everything you need to complete it, start to finish. It's real easy. Just follow your instructions. So we're going to go ahead. This is already tight. It gave us a little bit of trouble, so we had to start over. But then you just take your tube, make sure you install it all the way down. Makes a good seal. You've got this over here. This goes into your factory clip. You have to bend it a little bit. And you hear it snaps in. You've also got your mass airflow sensor. Make sure you plug it in right. If you plug it in upside down, your car is gonna choke. It's not gonna like it. You're gonna wanna hear it click. Move your air filter. Now you have a piece of cardboard. It's actually insulation. It's up here on your intake. I believe it's more of a vibration type of situation. Honestly, you guys can comment if you know what this is. I don't know. I couldn't find anything online about what that is. I'll just move out of the way and let him put that on. Should do it. Okay, reinstall your factory engine cover. Should all line up.
It's got a slide under these bolts up here.
Go ahead and see if you can line those up. Maybe a little off. The whole thing's off. There's that. And then you got one bolt over here. Again, it's a 25. Let me grab the Torx. Reinstall the one bolt on your factory engine cover. Again, it's a 25 Torx. It's a little bit long-winded. Make sure you go all the way until it's tight, otherwise you'll have a rattle. And that's that. He's gonna take a shot now of the whole thing. All done. Real easy job. I don't think anybody will have any trouble if you follow our steps.
That was the cap he was talking about that comes from K&N along with this zip tie.
Nice and done.